Good day everyone! Meron nagsuggest sa ating Facebook page kung paano daw ba mag-activate ng Gcash Mastercard. So today, ito yung magiging tutorial natin. So kaka-receive ko lang ng aking Gcash Mastercard at kung ikaw ay wala pa, kailangan mo umorder online. So here nakalagay sa likod, accessible, convenient, secure, and dito mo siya gugutingin para mabuksan natin at makuha na natin yung ating Gcash Mastercard. Ayan, hindi ko na siya ginunteng kasi nakadikit lang naman siya sa gilid. So, ito na yung ating Gcash Mastercard at nakalagay dito how to activate your Gcash Mastercard. So, nakalagay din po dito yung instruction. Ngayon ay i-open na natin ang ating Gcash app para ma-activate na natin. Ngayon, nasa loob na tayo ng Gcash at the lower part, click mo yung profile and click mo yung my link accounts. And here, click mo yung Gcash Mastercard. And here, mababasa mo, to link your Gcash Mastercard, you should know your card number. Makikita mo po ang iyong 16-digit card number at the bottom left corner ng iyong Gcash Mastercard. Now, click Got It. And click mo na yung link card. Dito mo ilalagay ang iyong 16-digit card Mastercard number. At sa may baba, mababasa mo yung note, only Gcash Mastercards will be accepted for linking. Do not include any special characters, spaces, or letters. Ibig sabihin, yung mismong number lang po ang ilalagay nyo, wala na po kayong idadagdag ng kahit anong tuldok or any characters. After mo ma-input ang iyong 16-digit card number, magkukulay blue na yung link card at pwede mo nang i-click. Mabilis yung naging process, mababasa mo na agad, Gcash Mastercard linking successful. Your card has been successfully linked to your Gcash account. You can now start swiping in all Mastercard affiliate stores. It means na magagamit mo na po ang iyong Gcash Mastercard. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial video at kung meron kang question, just leave a comment. At kung gusto mo mag-suggest ng content, just message our Facebook page. Thank you and stay blessed!